Kevin putting up cameras, more cameras. So for those of you who think it's cute to engage in tomfoolery, we have cameras up already. So we have some pictures of the persons who decided to engage in tomfoolery at Hope Farm about a week ago. But they're blurry. And the police couldn't tell who they were. Only we know who they are. But now we're going to make it where they'll be really, really clear. So if I were you, I would not engage in any more tomfoolery at Hope Farm. And we got a whole bunch of them. So they're gonna be everywhere. Outside, inside, front, back. Lots and lots of cameras. And don't be getting smart thinking you're gonna take the camera down and steal it and that'll protect you, because these are the kind that send us messages to our phone as soon as anybody gets close to it. What'd you just do, Kevin?
Put up the cameras.
We're gonna take care of the tomfoolery and the shenanigans.
Yep.
See, you may
Got
think
them
it's
all
just
over.
a shenanigan, but the police officer consider it vandalism and trespassing.
Yeah, those are very, very serious
Yeah,
charges.
those are serious charges. You could like go to jail.
And we have a no trespassing sign
very clearly posted
up on the driveway. So
I told them that we had a picture of people doing shenanigans and tomfoolery, but it's blurry. And it wasn't quite enough, even though we could tell who it was, it wasn't quite enough for the police to tell who it was. But now we're gonna make sure and get a really crisp, clear picture, like a school photo even. So make sure you do like the kids do, like pose when you come, like whatever they do.
Yep, we got some nice cameras out there now. Watch out.
Now we're headed to Arkansas. Okay, bye.
Road trip.
Road trip! Oh.
It's spring, and evidently
Someone is blowing his coat.
spring has sprung a new Pomeranian.
And yes, that is from one side of
We
him.
have one side done. Lane has one side done.
Yeah. We
I have to hold him every now and then.
will. And yeah, it's spring, and he is a show quality Pomeranian, and his coat is just this thick. This isn't like years and years worth of growth. This is just, he's blowing out.
Help me, someone.
See?
Help me, please. Yeah.
Here, show me Cohen. Get close, see if they can see. This is just, you get right down at the root. These combs slip right through. And we kind of hold it at the root so it doesn't pull. And it's just pulling out. He's just blowing his undercoat. And they do this in the spring, and they do it in the fall too, which I think is weird.
It's incredible how much hair.
Yeah. One side.
So much hair.
Look at that.
Look at that.
And yes, we're going to change the sheets. Don't worry. They needed to be changed. So we're just all being comfy on the bed, having groom time.
Oh, yeah. Somebody's real comfortable.
Yeah.
Or not.
He's being a good boy.
He is being a good boy. So, Stanley. Stanny, are you a good boy? Yeah.
Yeah. I know.
This is
Oh,
ridiculous.
come here. Come sit next to your pot.
No,
Here, Mama,
it's
move your
stinky.
pile next to you.
Oh, my gosh.
Yeah, there you go, buddy.
Look at this.
That's how much beans we got off.
That's insane.
That's how much beans came out.
Stanley, no.
Oh my goodness, beans. Oh my goodness, and how much hair you still have, buddy?
Yeah. Still fully heritage, Mama.
Yes. It's gonna feel better. All
Yeah.
that itchy is gone.
This is crazy.
Yeah.
In Arkansas and back at what we're always doing, right?
So what? We live at the hardware
We
store.
live at the hardware store. Why don't they all sponsor us? I have no
Right?
idea.
We have yet to find a hardware store sponsor.
I know.
This is my birthday present to myself.
Are you unhappy with the birthday present that I'm going to get you?
Well,
That you already have learned what it
the
is?
truth of our relationship,
Is
low
that
these 30 years, is that you will never spend as much money on me as I will spend on me.
probably true.
It's just the truth. But I have been wanting one of these. We don't have one on either side of our family. And I have been wanting one for
It
Hope
is
Farm.
well packed.
It is a roll of bubble wrap.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I've been wanting a roll of bubble
always
wrap.
wanted bubble wrap.
This one was the one. I'll show you why.
I don't know what it is. Are
I
y'all as
told you
excited
about
as
it.
I am? Is it hurricane glass?
No, it's not hurricane glass. Those are still at Holder's Antiques. I still want those.
So if y'all want to buy Lane a present for her birthday,
It'd take everybody. Well, it's packed well.
Is it a statue?
No.
Is it a lamp?
No.
Oh, it's some kind of a tea thing or something.
Yes, it is a sterling silver hot water urn. But the reason I had to have this one, hang on, see if you can get it, is this.
Let me zoom in.
Okay, so there's this crest,
Uh-huh.
and in Latin it says perseverance. So I felt like
Is that our
was
motto?
the perfect one to have at Hope Farm. Tell me I'm wrong.
Yeah, I think you're right. That's pretty.
So I have been dying. to
What is
get
the
back
handle
here.
made out of? Oh. Plastic.
Plastic.
Yeah, looks like plastic.
Very, very early.
Oh, there's the top.
17. And it's dated 1782.
There you go. It's a 1782 model
Yeah. Happy
for
birthday
hot
to me.
water.
Hot water urn.
Yeah,
Hope Farm hot water urn. Isn't that beautiful?
it is pretty. Is that going to sit on our little side, whatever it's called?
Probably gonna go in the living room on that pie crust table that I have with the tea set you got me for my
Ah,
last birthday.
yeah.
All the things. Maybe we should take them on a tour of all the things that we've already bought to go in Hope Farm that are
Ah.
just piled up in this house
We,
right now.
we could. That's definitely something
Yeah, I
that we
probably
could do
better wash
here.
the dirt off of them first.
Okay.
Off the dust off of them from the
That's
dogs.
pretty. People are going to like that.
Yeah.
Yay.
Yay.
And then yet another box. How many boxes were waiting for us here?
Well, that whole pile. But see, it looks bad,
Yeah.
but that's 4 months
Uh-huh.
worth of things
Of things that didn't go to Hope
that
Farm.
go to Hope Farm.
Yeah.
But they can't go to Hope Farm yet
Uh-huh.
because
What about this thing? Does that go to
that
Hope Farm?
goes to Hope Farm.
What about that thing there?
Which one?
Behind
that one? It goes to Hope Farm.
Yeah, yeah.
All these things go to Hope Farm.
So,
But-
have we told them about the new necklaces our dogs have?
Oh, I don't think so.
So, this one and this one,
the bad one,
especially,
because he's very bad.
are very bad. So we haven't been home to train them. We usually work on our dogs pretty well and have them pretty well trained. These dogs are
These
not
are
well
bad
trained.
dogs.
So we got them these collars. I'll show you the thing. So this collar system, Usnik, and it has a beep and a vibrate and a shock, which I am not going to press.
Ever.
These are working fine. I just show this to Jack, and he hides in the
The
corner.
problem with Jack is that he is a human.
He is
in
so
a fur
smart.
suit.
He is so
He is
smart.
brilliant.
Now, Stanley, the beep doesn't affect him
The
much.
lights are on, but nobody's.
I beep Stanley's collar, and Jack is afraid from wherever he is.
Jack.
I vibrate Stanley's collar, and he kind of goes,
What?
"Who is doing this to me? What is happening?" So he hasn't really associated it with I'm being bad.
But he keeps doing what he's doing.
Yeah. And
What
this
about
one,
you?
this one is perfect in every way.
Perfect.
Perfect in every way.
I don't think you're perfect in every way.
Well, I'm small, so I can be
I can be kind of bad.
I can be bad, and it doesn't. Was that all that box just for whatever
Yes,
this is?
it was.
It looks kind of small.
It's smaller than I thought it was.
Huh. Oh.
Considerably smaller than I thought it was.
Oh my goodness. It is a miniature.
It is tiny.
Is it like a doll's
Wedgwood urn?
Wedgwood?
But yeah, it's beautiful, but it's considerably
Probably wouldn't have
smaller.
paid what you paid for it,
Probably
would
would
you?
not have. No.
Got to look at those numbers.
I know.
It's pretty though.
Well, see, this is where I can get myself in trouble too, because it came from England, so it was measured in centimeters, and I know that
Oh.
centimeters you got to like half it, and that's inches. But sometimes in
No,
the
a centimeter.
heat-
There's like 3 centimeters to an inch.
Oh, well then that's my problem.
Yeah, that'll do it right
I was
there.
thinking half. but it
No,
was a
centimeter
third.
is a little over a quarter inch, I think.
Well, it's beautiful. I probably wouldn't have paid what I paid for it. It's still
Anybody
really
want to
rare
buy a little
because it's
thing?
tricolor, and it's still an incredible addition to my collection of antique jasper wood.
Yeah,
which
we'll
is
find a nice home
period
for it.
appropriate for. And this comes
We'll
from
put it behind a
the-
magnifying glass.
Hush. This is Mrs. George. Oh, it came from a really famous collection, and it's Wedgwood only, so it's super early. It's early 19th, late 18th, early 19th century. And she lived at Astor Street in Chicago. Anyway, there was another piece in the collection I probably should have been more focused on, but you know.
So that's from
auctions
the
get crazy.
that's from the Astor collection, you said?
No, she lived on Astor Street.
I know.
You hush.
Hey, I'm trying to make it a big deal.
It's a big deal. Look at it.
It's a big deal in a small
big
urn.
deal.
At the vet again.
Again, but good reports. Today just checkups with our 14-year-old and our 13-year-old.
Took our old boy and girl.
Yes, but they are as healthy as they can be at 13 and 14. No heart failure with these two, thank God. Just some arthritis and old people problems. And we understand that.
Oh, I understand that real well.
We empathize with the arthritis and old people
For
problems.
sure. There's Scouty. Scouty, did you get a good report? They said I was old. But other than that, I'm pretty good. And then this face. Can we see your eyes? There they are.
There they are, buddy.
This will miss a tank. And him got a good report too. Can't believe it. We are really expecting some bad news, especially for this one, who is 14,
Yeah.
woolly mammoth. But they both got a good report. Just got a bunch of arthritis like their daddy.
Yeah.
So they're going to be okay, aren't you? I guess so. Don't like it so far.
No.
Hate it here. Isn't that right? What'd you say, Stanny?
You gonna help Mama open her present? All right, you need to know, I have had the same best friend since I was a sophomore in high school. We met in advanced placement at Mrs. Henderson's AP English class in the 10th grade. My last name was Hatfield, her last name was Hurd. We were seated alphabetically, that's how we met, and we have been best friends since then. And this is how you know that, well, here, hang on. You know what? I've got to show you what she got me last year for my birthday.
Oh
Okay.
no. Okay,
Hang
hold on.
Hang on. Oh, you weren't videoing. So I can't remember if this was last year or year before last.
I feel like it was the year before last. I don't
Was
know.
it?
I'm not sure.
Anyway, it's
been a long year.
For her big birthday, I got her. So she loves Maureen O'Hara. She was her favorite old Hollywood actress, and she adores Maureen O'Hara. And I was able to get some sketches, some costume sketches that were Maureen O'Hara's costume sketches, and that were in a folder that had been owned by Maureen O'Hara, and were part of her estate auction. So I got those for her birthday. And then for my birthday, she got me several things. But my favorite old Hollywood actress is Olivia de Havilland. And she got me this that came from Olivia de Havilland's estate that is a happy birthday to somebody from Olivia de Havilland.
To you.
So this was my like we've always done like really meaningful gifts, but this year we've sort of like passed that point, I think, and we've gone practical. So now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna get her. Maybe some wall stuff. I don't know. So this is my birthday gift for my best friend. An Ace bucket.
Yes.
Because you always need
all the Ace goodies.
Ace bucket. Paintbrushes. And she's right. I never have enough. And she got me my favorite brand too. Pretty Brushes. Paper towels. Again, these are the things that I buy every time I go to the store. Terry towels. Perfect. Razor blades.
Yep.
Perfect. Painter's tape. And a new multi-tool.
Awesome.
I mean,
all the
is this not,
essentials.
like the most perfect
It
birthday
is.
gift
That's our life now.
for me right now.
It is.
Last year, it was Olivia de Havilland. This year, it's Ace Hardware.